If you don't notice that from the England thing now operate, Akeam gonna write down. If you check his energy, both of them, him and figure it out, them just gone back into the shadows. So you know why? Because there was an objective to get through. But from there is no getting through, you notice that them just diminish right away. Well, you never see it. I mix up Monday and we are audition people for look out for ice after Mocha take up Ivani. I just that we are the one lady pan this name Animal Stink and Rosalie Bale. Then come here and go, even not talk about the British visa. Hey, you know, say Diamond a good girl, Diamond a good friend all in a wickedness. Diamond you wicked, eh? Latifula, me not angry like Flow logo. Me not angry like Flow logo, Latifula. And that the whole I wanna walk on the internet and chat say me angry. Eh? Happy wife and Rochelle at it. Happy wife, who is happy wife? The lady will lay down. Then now Rochelle, she really killed this fair married woman. Rochelle really and truly knows that she has several relationships from wife to outside. Coming in for put her name. And Rochelle argue with the lady with the pan her back. Rochelle, get out of it, man. Rochelle really need to wake up. Yeah. Rochelle not have nothing to do. Then Rochelle not work. Rochelle not work, Rochelle not have no overnight plate in her sink. Like how I want to wipe off my something of them. Yeah, but anyways, back to the England something now. Diamond, come here. Diamond, you know you're a good girl, all in an excitement and hatred. You're a good girl, you know. Because the area walk and defend the people, you know. Now me going to say multiple stuff about the England thing. Diamond, from when you forgot foreigner visa can't ready, I just said the lady I postponed the show. Diamond, let me tell you something. It's either someone on the background don't clean. You hear? It's either TikTok boss, them two little boy there, and Jaden and Rosalie. It's either them background don't clean. Me not tell you, like, if I even one out of the lot have to get the visa, it's not the visa why the show cancel. You understand me? And cancellation mean it now gonna happen. Postponing mean there's a later date. You get what I say? No, Diamond, if you come out and hold people accountable, you see you might be a selling card, but you see the others are not selling cards. But if our memory serve correct, make we draw back memory. We never hear one long time ago say police order figure it out them not to leave Jamaica. When you come like when you remember the time of Rosalie and Jakes, police ordered them not to leave Jamaica. I mean alone remember that. Nobody else don't remember. Nobody else don't remember. Money for me alone remember. So me not understand all of this. You get what me I say, Bell? Me not understand all of this. Let me just say this. I lie. If British visa not take months, years and decades forget. Visit British visa take 15 days for the review and stamp. And for the review and approval. 15 days. And let me tell you something. You say if your thing is clean, British now hold you. Them now hold you. One thing with them now go hold you. Anyhow you clean, them now go hold you up. Anyhow them realize that you're going in there and them now hold you up. And if we say the promoter thought we forgot, yeah, it's true. Once they make it to the embassy, it means that the promoter do them part. You never know. And none of them are honest enough because them keep misleading the internet. All them they're gonna get the visa for the time of the show. Yeah, from now to the time of the show. The visa would have last them for 1 month. 1 month. You never know. It's a 1 month visa. So when me hear them attack me, I say, nothing no go so. Me can't go to the embassy, the papers process, and you take so long. How many months? From the show of February to the show of March. Now the show gone in April. The show have to be real because they couldn't waste time going to the towers. No, you see, Diamond is operating as a team player. Don't hold her accountable. She's operating as a team player. You understand me? However, nothing go like what she say. Nothing can go like what she say. Nothing at all. The most me know the towers will do. The show will keep tomorrow. And you forget the visa depending on when. You forget the visa, when I get the visa on Wednesday and the show keep on Saturday. And when I get the visa Wednesday, when I get it Monday or Tuesday, when I go on a foreign Wednesday, right? You see, them with all about 2 persons or 1 person. And that person they will travel like all Friday. They will get you like all Thursday for travel Friday. So you know you reach at England Saturday morning for the show. Now I ask you, not go like what them say. It's either them record bad or when the embassy run probing from them because everybody have to get checked out. You understand me? We all know. We all know. You see there's something I call social media and some of you don't know have records and I hide it. Everybody appoint arrows to Rosalie, but nobody now realize that Figure It Out and Akeam, their names were called and several things. And if the last time I remember, me did hear the police order them not to leave the country. So me don't know why a promoter would really take the money and book them. Me can't understand these individuals. You see, and this is the problem why most good artists never make it back then in the pandemic, because you have all of these fandangles artists come up and say ring, ring, and everybody re and run with it. You understand what I say? Re and run with it. No, you know, book 2 sensible artists and carry up. But where Rosalie go, where Akeam go, where Figure It Out go, we can understand Diamond. You understand me? Because Cartel still need a vagina. Where them there go, where Jaden go, where TikTok boss go, where them really are going in real life. Tell me truth where God love. Them a nonsense. Them a free show. Ticket never they go sell either. Then you think say one of them they get the visa, them wouldn't go, accumulate them money and go. It just not make sense. No way, shape or form to make sense. That is why them try all sort of excitement to build that relevancy again so that they can get the bookings again. If you don't notice say from the England thing now operate, Akeam gonna write down. If you check his energy, both of them, him and Figure It Out, them just gone back into the shadows. So you know why? Because there was an objective to get through. But from there is no getting through, you notice that them just diminish right away. Well, you never see it. No, if you notice, like the effort of getting through, of making a statement on the app that you are this and this is the reason why you are getting bookings. You know, she say from, it's like you get a knock on the England, something. You know, she says not one person get knock on it. Because if Diamond get it, Jaden get it, TikTok boss get it, Rosalie not get it, Akeam get it, Figure It Out get it, every one of them can go. If it's even for just for vacation, you and I know if they could or if they did. Notice my statements when I use don't misquote me now. I say notice if they could or if they did. Notice what I say is either them get it and can't fly or them don't get it at all. But somebody that want the experience, someone would want the experience. So all of this don't make no sense. And then again, coming right back to tickets. If the somebody that sell the promoter that put out extra effort, if I even one smaddy I forgo, 2 smaddy I forgo, 3 smaddy I forgo, make we bring who get it because money don't spend. So if money don't spend, right, and show advertising and ticket not selling, why we're still not flying? No, why? I will want the experience. So you soon see them at the towers again, if possible. England ticket expensive, my baby, but the promoter must have known what they were signing up for when they book all of them. You must have had backup money. Now, come again. Let us just say she be a shitty and chat. Sometimes promoter use them last money. It is so true. Then the promoter learn a valuable lesson now that these are not sellers. So when cute boss still gonna say me envy the people and become a realize that the internet a showcase that people depend on the app better than me. Show me who I buy them talent. Cause we don't need no more evidence. We don't need no more evidence. Nobody over here wanted to see them. See them? Show me. Because we have to understand people think that people are going to spend their money on hype. I just hype them people I have and it's self-proclaimed hype. You never know. I'm always sit down and tell them, but you never hear me when I say it no matter who you are on the app, you know. Make sure you have a backup skill. Like how Candy I try venture off in a music. Make sure you have a backup skill. You understand? So when it's not the app, what is it that people can pay you for? Why we don't have a night with Zandrama doing spoken words? And let me see how much people are going to pay for the app. They say, I'm sure I keeping on a 500 people more want. No, not 5, that's too much. 100 people for my spoken words. Ding dong bell. The puss is in the well. Who took her ring? Little Tommy Green. Who took her out? Big Jack Sprout. What a naughty boy like that. To drown our little kitty cat. Spoken words by Zandrama. Yeah, you see me, say me not easy. Me drink coffee, tea and lick black seed. You see me, me not easy. I like my francs with vein in it, you see me. A night with Zandrama, spoken word. Hey, no, for true. Auntie, stop. Alright, may I stop? For true. No spoken words. Lord, why every time I showcase my talent? Why we can't stop people, you see, man? Every time me I make it in a life is a problem. You do it tomorrow. Alright. What did happen to myself? I love when you hear me I come back on later, I promise. Me I come back on later. I hear good body people. And remember, you see me. Spoken words by Zandrama. You see me. Alright? What's the spoken word for the day? You see me. Alright?